how to fix message sound on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So, do you want to fix your message notification sound on your iPhone? Then you're in the right place. So, let's dive right in. First, check the ring slash the silent switch on the side of your iPhone. Make sure it's flipped towards the screen so that the ringer mode is turned on and it is not silent. Then what you can do is press and hold the volume up button until your ringer volume is maxed out. This ensures you hear every incoming text. Now you will need to also swipe down your notification bar to access the control center, and then make sure the volume slider is all the way up to make sure your notifications are loud and clear. Now go to your settings and then scroll down, tap on apps, and then on the search bar, search for messages. Tap on it and then go to notifications and make sure notifications is toggled on, and make sure that your lock screen, notification center, and banner alerts are also toggled on. And then go to sounds, and if it is set to none, then choose one of the standard alert tones. You can even tap a name to hear a preview. Lastly, remember that when your phone is unlocked and you're actively using it, iOS may suppress notification sounds and only show a banner. So lock your screen and send yourself a text message to confirm you're hearing that ding. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.